So the thing angaziwa akho lula to describe me because I'm just umfana nje odizi bengumfana odizi like umfana odizi nje ngiyabaleka then and then akunabangani abafana bekunabafana kule kasi bengihlala ku usisi kaBusi khona lo mntana lo ucula uBusi Busi umntana kubo uBusi bekahlala same street la bengihlala khona uBusi wasekhuma uyacula uBusi bekacula no kuna nengoma zenzile Superman
okay
lo ngimazi life in real life umntana kubo naye bekayi gangster so bekuyintwana encane kimi zona so yizo benginobloma nazo yabo sometimes lama gangster abafuna ukuzihlupha abathola mina ngizophakama zihambe lezi yabo so bezingithanda so bekuyabantu nyana engibloma nabo abase anginabangani I go to school anginamngani because I always look weird there was something wrong it's either icathulo short yami yabo so ile nto yenza ukuthi ngi withdraw I was kind of antisocial
I guess you were self-conscious in that way and, criticizing yourself for a lot that wasn't going right. But at what point do you have your first encounter with the police?
Okay. After that year, ngiyaphuma 2001. Ngiyaphuma ngengangala ngaye kumama ngabuyela back to the village. So ngiyohlala nosisi wami no-uncle. Ngifike ngahlala nabo for isikhathi esincane ngaqala ngiyaganga ngaboshwa. Uqala kwami ukuboshwa kunosisi osuka bekasuka eRustenburg I think and lo sisi lo beku urakhadi anti kamngani wami abomngani wami bathengisa utshwala bathengisa utshwala bane tuck shop nyana so it just bebange exploiter kakhulu bahlezi bathuma mina so mina I would before ngiyenza something vele kube na something wrong engifila ngathi uyenzekile before ngithi ngifuna ukumosha yabona so khabo umngani wami ngathi ngiyaya lapha kulelanga engiplan ukuthi ngiyongena kulo kufike lo rakhadi azovakasha makazovakasha sikhamba aphethe ama cellphone besasemzapapa 2001 umzapapa ongaka ngibona ama cellphone okay ilanga la khona kunethi imvula ngiyabona iweather yenza ngithi this is a perfect day ukuthi ngingene so kulate lokho ebusuku because emakhaya ubona ngokucinywa bengena watch so but ngiyazi ukuthi around a certain time so ku quiet ucinyiwe bese kunogesi lapho yabona ngiye mangiya ugesi into yangaphandle ibox la ngaphandle ngifike ngicime kancane ngithi imvula seyafathaza ngicime ibox ngiyabalalisa ngicime ibox ucime ugesi because ugesi wasemakhaya sometimes uya magnetic imvula yenza ngicime into ngizwe bathi hey umhlakasi wawa ayaritsama lorobala manceda nguphakamise ngihambe ngibuye later on mangibuya ngengene ngiphule angiphula lapha ngatshontsha I think 14 cases yamabhiya ngiwakhipha efridge one by one ngwafake emakrate ngwamove angiceda ngathatha imali phela ngithi tuck shop ayathengisa ngithatha imali bangiqala efridge qala efridge ngiyadla ngumalamba ngiqala efridge ngivula ifridge and ifridge yabo because bona bekusesibhutweni nyana ngoba ayathengisa iyalight ngisiza ama fridge wasemakhaya amaningi bewangalight yabo ayalight ubona kahle into ifuna ngidle and then ngitshontsha amabhiya ngikhipha amabhiya ngiwafake ngiwahambise ngithatha imali ngekamereni kunethi imvula makunethi imvula like I was certain kuyarasa izenke and then ngathi if maybe isikhathi maybe ngiyangabo 8 AMs abo lapha mina bengikala ngezinja this time la izinja sicala zikhokhoda khona kuthiwa zibona ipoko that was my time
so now we spoke now
emakhaya you can think of akuna ma street light and sekucinyiwe yabo so yise leso sikhathi so I think abo ma 2-1 lapho ngingene ngihambe le yandlu ngiyayazi ngike ngalala nalapha because bekukhaba umngane wami sengiyayazi mapping map ngiye ngifike kule camera mangifika amafoni akudala bewadoma ayapanyaza le light ngibona la inhloko ukuthi thathe lamafoni ayi2
ulele kunomuntu olele
khona kulelo camera ngingene nginyonyobe kahle kunyonyobe stealth bekuyinto yakho nyonyobe thathe lamafoni ayi2 khona lama uthi ngize iwatch yabo ngithole iwatch I think nebe kuyi chain thathe ne chain ngiphume ngihamba ngifihla amatshwala khona lapho ngilahle ngathatha amacassette ayi2 I think bekuyi-UB40 or West Street Boys or something.
Okay.
Ngikhuda le ngoma show me the meaning of being alone something like that. Lelo cassette benalezo ingoma lezo. So ngithathe lawo amacassette ngihambe ngiyofihla into bengilala lapho bese ngihontsha kunomunye umfana khona we are related angazi kanjani but bese related nyana so ubhuti wakhe seka akasahlala lapho so kunomkhukhu ongaphandle so bengilala kulomkhukhu lo and then umjida bekane stand nyana thengisa and then udlala isound so into zami ngifihlile bengifihlile nje ezinye ngifihle kwenye indlu lawa ngazi khona abantu bakhona behlo ngifihla lapho like ezinye ngifihla le la ngilala khona kunangudla kunangudla nala mafoni awekho kimi ngilahle nginikeze lo mjida lo lama cassette adlale lama cassette during the day makadlala makathengisa
yeah
hayi man angithi kuphela kusetshwaleni la athi hayi man noma kungathiwa le ngoma lezi zijwayele ukukhala la kwakho sizizwe izikhala lapha kanhlapho mabaya umjida athi hayi kama cassette ka asho wami and vele sekunaleyo nto leyo ukuthi ngisuspect because sebayazi angihlala ekhaya so yabona abakangibambi but kuthi lo uyakhanga lo sisi lo athi lo mfana lo ayenzeni alanda kunolinye ithama beli detective le time la the no angixoxa ngaleso story sogelo wakhona because ugelo wakhona ngingafuna ukujola nabe ngixoxanga so le time le detective liyasatshwa within a village le time lize lifike lengishaya like umuntu osatshwayo iphoyisa lisatshwayo usually lijwayele ukuthi balifika likhame lenzani uluzwenza mina ngingavumi like umuntu obeka ngishaya beka ngijwayele ukushaya like bese ngi-hardened yabona so awuzongishaya instead amaphoyisa bewangihlula bekumuntu okhuluma yabo makafika khuluma ntwana yini labo bengivele ngimtshela bengilambile dog like umuntu ozangihuman lapho namanje nginjalo like no girl mawujola na mangabe akangirasile ngizomtshela ngifebile phela Marozaya ile ungazongitshela wena yabo so le time alifike lirase lenze likuduza umbhede lenze ningadobi next the only thing uthole kunenye incwadi bengibhala amafoni number kunosisi wami la esinawana ngibengithola inamba yakhe so bengibhale lapho and ngeke ngamfonela nga one of these phones so mara that's the only thing athi kulahleka amafoni wena sani ngixawubulaya mpolaye mfethu kuhlayisa ahluleke so yena because of uyazi ukuthi akekho ama method wakhe ukuthola into ayasebenza effective so yena waba convinced ukuthi angiyenzanga and then I think futhi angithi that way ngingakhona ngisoft I've always had a soft voice soft spoken dude and quiet ayitshelena kwenza akusiyimi ahambe alosisa akhala hayi liyamfana organize amajita kula ngagwazeka khona la organize amajita bekuyi Saturday kuzoba Sunday organize amajita umphakathi nyana bangibambe
usister
usister lo ngitshontshe kwakhe ngithathela amafoni lo ubuya eRustenburg phika athola ama-out futhi bengise tavern angiphuza ngibhemi bengiblomile nginamabiya angikamabiya amasaka sahle bangipick up bangithathe wabangithatha angishaye bangikhumule mara kusebusuku at least azange abantu azange babona itetolozi yami at least yabo bangishaye bakangishaya ngikula ngagwazeka la athini ngibiza amaphoyisa ngiyakubophisa wena uyahlanya huwe yabo like ahlanye like yikho wangikwaza ukuthi huye lo mfana like I think maybe intuition yakhe bangibophise and then amaphoyisa angithatha yongqokise ngena this is Saturday kuzoba ntathakusa ya Sunday kuzoba Sunday ngene kusel bathi kuse juvenile lapho abangifaka lapho epolice station khona indawo bathi isuseng mangingena lapho kuthiwa ijuvenile ngiyangena ekseni bangivuka ingudu zodwa ingudu like abantu abadala kuthiwa kuse juvenile bangifake lapho abafana abancane si2 nomunye umfana lo mfana lona uboshwe nalezi ezindala ngathi abantu ngathi kwashawa lentwana kwaba yiye confessor labo ubhuti laba siba isi2 abafana ubona ukuthi abafana abancane lezi ezinye ingudu zimnyama ziqinile mazivuka zamemeze ewindweni sikhuluma isijele gangsterism ingqondo manje yabuya kuthi hey dog
Songenile
hey
manje.
dog
Hey. So thole izifana nawe manje.
ngiyabona lapho ngasaba bacede emini bathi silwe bathi bayasilwisa like abona la inkane yami yonke yahamba like I believe ngabona ukuthi this ijele is different inkane yami yaphuma ngakhohlwa ukuthi nginenkani mina ukhandi sebathi bayasilwisa lapha nalo mfana siyahlusa sangalo babaceda bashaya igumba ingoma zasejele bayithi sekela bacule barase bacule this 2001 those are hizo times ngibona isine hizo mina and manje vele labafana basemakhaya yonke into ebabona ku TV bayenzayo yabo barase sibe dizzy and mabarasa I think this thing is spiritual because you can feel the atmosphere ya change but dizzy kwa wena balibele baround phela uthukile awazi kuzenziwa mabaqeda kune toilet kunebonda nyana so ngase toilet le bonda le lengaka baqobise i sunlight bayifaka emanzini bayicobise la sunlight uhlala phezulu kwayo before bathi bakufaka ama fingerprint bakubeka so babeka into phezulu kwebonda bakushange all star la bakushaya umuntu bang all star la bakushaya ama fingerprint hayi buhlungu cabanga imagine i all star bayibeke so phezulu bakushaya umuntu wakho isandla sakhe phezulu kwento
yes
akubaqabuya yabona kushayela ienga aceda igibe wasigibelise phezulu kwale bonda bathi ushova ibone angithi bagcobise isunlight ukuthi kushare uyagibela ibonda so amathanga ana ushova ibone waceda uyapompa basipaxabula yo basipaxabula and iqiniso ukuthi noma yini bebathe sizoyenza besoyenza lapha yabo isunday into yakhona bayenza during the day enzeke during the day sengilale Monday ngiphume ngecourt bangifike ngecourt iprosecutor ke mina yiye suke ngapproach bayangapproach iprosecutor phela yiyo that yakuqindezela mara makafika mina ngavele ngamtshela straight and then already na here bese kayenzile whatever esayitini ngamtshela straight mina ngihlala ngiwani ngiyalamba and that's why inkanga like wavele wakhathala ngavuma icala kuye ngivumanga elsewhere ngalivuma ku prosecutor into wayenza wavele wathi mfana Tsibaking I saw your school record like you are a good boy like you are excelling so what I will do is I'm going to refer you to social worker
okay
so mangifike court bavele bangrefer ku social worker akusi it's not even like it's not like you are reminded kufana ukuthi icala li refer to social worker bangirefera ku social worker ngaphuma kanjalo ngisurvive kanjalo nebusuku bakhona bangitshele ngenye bebathe kunenye usoli imnyama yayibona le idlana ibunu bathi yalumana ebusuku ngilala ngigcokile ubamba indunu ngide at least azangikwenzeka azange ngilume yabo mara mangiphuma ngathi nimir mara ngabuyela futhi ngabanjwa futhi ngibanjwa bengitshontshe itape omunye uthaya manje sakhumbula into engibophisa lapho ngibophiswa ngatshontsha nemali so babone laba nginemali eningi and then bagcina bahlanganisa istory bathi him abangibophisa ngaboshwa mangiboshwa ngivela phambi ku magistrate that wena futhi and then azangu attend the social worker ngayasenda 2 sessions ngayi2 phela i violation le
okay
athi ngicela ukunikeza kokugcina wabuya la ngokuyise state school because when you violated the first thing ukuletha kokugcina ngikwenza kokugcina mawungayenza la ngiyakahambisa athi kunokuthi nge-state school iTorres engizwile nge-state school ngathi i-state school iBoys Town abo ngathi angifuni ngoba ngizwe ngazo khona lapha kulela sele bebaxoxa laba bake bahlala e-state school taba ikhuluma zathusa ngathi naye kula ngidecide khona ukuthi ngiyahamba ngeSoweto that was my encounter kuboshwa and then ngathi ngahamba ngeSoweto I'm going to change life yami
and was that your last encounter vele with
lo eSoweto ngaba west mangifika eSoweto manje phela manje sengi-teenager mangifika ngiyajola ngezwa into emnandi yabo and then manje isikhathi sama street bash early 2000 isikhathi sama street bash samba ama street bash and street bash by principle mele uhlale uphathe into yokuzilwela and then mina remember ngumuntu nemimese nani and then my elokushini nemimese not all the ayikho that effective sokuphatha ibhamu elokushini manje yabona and ngaqala lapho ku-experimenta ngigada ngaphe imigada sinene ngaphe umugwaye nokuphuza abo ngaqala la ukuphuza sengiyaphuza the next thing abangani bami besihlangene ngamantombazana at first ngoba mama ngifika ekhaya so ekhaya relative yakhabo babami so mangifika this structure nyana it's like a proper family ngisho njalo this is a proper family akulanjwa nani and nomagogo uyadisciplina so ngiyacoceka ngafunda ngiyafunda ngihamba esigela ngiyafunda yabo there's no need ukuthi ngigange for ukudla nani until abangani bami baqala ukubhema ama drugs baqala ukubhema ama drugs mase kumele bafide i-cravings baqala lapho kwenza i-pavement roof uganga yabo and the next thing umuntu sekabuyele even to doing worse things yabo doing worse stuff man nasemabheshini sesiyalwa all these things snacks yabo but remember mina ngaleso sikhathi ngilo umuntu loyo and then all alone bengicocekile but mase uhamba ebusuku nani so thola opportunity because mangidakwa kula bangani bami bahlezi basho ukuthi hey wena ntwana what mangidakwa bengisukelana ke sengishintshile compared to la bengiphuma khona before bengilwisa umuntu maybe ongidelelayo nani onconfronta but so nokusukela random person umgijimisa estradini wambamba asazi ukuthi kwenzekeni ngayo
yo
understand asengibale lento leyo ukuthi manje lezo zinto lezo yabo until ngiphathi spam
awungitshele ke with that experience ukuthi usithola phi kanjani
okay ispam sami sokuqala kunomunye umfana ekaphethe ispam esingake 2.2 sincanyana so bangithengisela sona
okay
sengiyasiphatha and yabo hayi but problem aso bekuthola amabullet wayo amabullet bewacele kakhulu bekwama 9mm so yona ithatha amabullet nyana abancane so thola ibullet eliwana after isikhathi and sincane lesipama asiqhume kakhulu asithusane so mele uqhumise kaningi before abantu bazokuthatha serious and sinokudlula la ibhamu phela ngaleso sikhathi yabona iSoweto manje ngaleso sikhathi iSoweto was evil Soweto was evil when it comes to ibhamu i-robbery i-pavement roof and then ama-rape Soweto was evil yabona i-rape bebayibiza khona even ne-gang rape bebayibiza ibhande le-Versace yabona the thing was abafana mawumfana ungayenzi mina angiyenzanga leyo I can just ngibheka i-camera straight angiyenzanga and I think ngasizwa my upbringing yabona and nokuba don't ngiba influence nabantu but some things had make sense because mostly angithanda ukwenza into ngenziswa yabo so bengangimekeli sense like ukwaye wami uvuka mina ngikuthanda i-foreplay namanje nginjalo so mele vumbuke ngifaka ugwayi nje bra it never made sense but ibhande le-Versace was the thing yabo so ibhamu zidlula la like into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi ibhamu bekuyinto yakhona Soweto like abafana esigela sinekhipha ibhamu ufana khipha isibhamu so manje gcina thina sifuna ukudisama remember mina kudala ngifuna ukudisama just bengakatholi opportunity yabo so ukuthi man makuqhamuka umfana maybe uqhamuka wena uhlala eshawela la uhlala khona thamba lakho iphoyisa jonge isibhamu sethime lakho uza naso esigela bawuza naso esigela mina ngaqala la ukubamba umthathela isibhamu umuntu sometimes uyafika sibonise nasi mawuceda uthi sinamabullet uthi king uthi hamba azokujwayela kwesakhe sinamabullet ongeke uzoyenzani angeke ayofisini ayo reporteni so uma ngithathela isibhamu uyavaya siba kanjalo isibhamu sakhona sinini ziyaflora bekunalento ukuthi siyaflora bezingalast ibhamu zakhona ubanaso for 2 weeks because sabantwana we don't know what you are doing ufike lapho uqhumisa isibhamu kaningi the next thing usinikeza umngane wakho ubalekile wasilahla because abanye bamagwala wasilahla I realized ukuthi bekungasi wonke umuntu wenza icrime ngoba uharden mina bengiharden bekuyipassion kimi yabona and mina ngifele emntwini ngeke ngithathele isibhamu angeke wenzeni abo ngilo muntu lo nginaleyo nto leyo bona bayayenza nje mara maqala kuba tense umuntu akhona akakhona ukuwithstand the heat awasilahla wenzani na ngisilahle ngabaleka naso silibele sinjalo until this one time bengibhala futhi sengizobhala I think bengenza grade 11 yeah bengenza grade 11 lapho abangani bami sibele sidisama sayenza sadisama sibamba inkunzi senzana until this one time ngibuye esigela ngikhathele bekuna la kuleyo la bengihlala ngakhona bengihlala estrateni samateksi Mabhalane Street mhlawumbe uyayazi Sinawani izokhipha iSinawani kuyisele eMerafi Mabhalane Street so bekune open space i-old clinic so manje sekune boxer and stuff but before lapho bekuhlalwa lapho besibiza eKhongo so ama-out babadlala ama-dice ababhemayo bahlala lapho because kuneyihlahla so kudlalwa ama-dice mina ngiyafika ngiyalala abangani bami bafike bashaya iflate bangivusa abangivusa bangibuza bathi kunesinye isidumbu omunye isidumbu umfana uyazi lento babiza umuntu isidumbu ibhara
okay
ya kunesinye isidumbu lapha siphethe igala sambe sothatha iqa ngigcume fast sacoka ibhrukwe lesikolo ngakhumbula bekuna i-studio 88 besinothengisa amanye ama-square tone unyana nje angathi nesikhumbanyana senyoka selacosta so bengicokela amabhutsi ngaphuma saya kulo mfana masifika nje emadayisini lo mfana aphuma mina ngimbonile uqumbile la ngibonile so makaphuma uphuma ngaso thina siphume kaso ngiphethe ukapi futhi ukapi yakhona leyo ke yona la lento le yasemuva lento le beyilusi so mayiba lusi lento le here eyenzayo ukuthi ibalance ukuthi iqine so lento mayilusi sometimes ibuyela le ibuyela le move ngima-approach le mfana simlandele so abangani bami baselele move ubone ukuthi abangani yibo bangilandile wena basalele move ngifike so lo mfana lo mina I don't look dangerous that was my winning I knew kuyo yonke into I knew ukuthi no one will see it coming yabo so mangiza ngiyamlandela uzibonela isinayi ayuzwe ngimgrabha mangimgrabha ngamgwaza indunu ngafunda la ukuthi indunu isensitive umuntu mamgwaza ngizwe omunye umuntu khona la uke wayisho umuntu wakhona momgwaza umuntu bathi ngathi kune umsipha ngazi umsipha khona wenzana umuntu lo wayibiza ngegama uyaqina waqina lo mpana wa freeze same time wathi sisibamba ngipha sona ngasithatha sayagwazekile sekalele same day yakhona ngathi kubangani bamasambeni sobamba taxi driver sebathathele
yo
athi asambeni sobamba taxi driver balahlile labantu laba
ayisengena kweyiteritori
bayasatshwa and bona they don't see it coming because umuntu osatshwayo lo muntu lo vulnerable because angithi ngicabanga ukuthi yasatshwa thina ngithi sibalanda la ko 7 sebayiphethe yonke imali yokupaka but obviously mina I'm good about studying study umuntu and the thing is mina ngayifunda read the room first like kunomuntu obonayo lo angeke ngimpayizela so him beng order beng miss text like besibengima wherever la sima khona ngizoma abangani bami soma silandelelana maybe mina ngimala omunye amela omunye wena so mina himi mele ngikhethe itext emele sibambe based on number of factors sometimes ukuthi kunabantu abayingakhi i-taxi needy the more the neater the taxi the more the money abo ne taxi driver so sabamba the first one masimbamba mfa ubhuti wabantu ngathi bekabuya ulungisa into bekayobuya ulungisa imoto makasho sambamba masimbamba futhi wazwaflikela bukhata wabrikaza bukhata badlula uhamba nathi so sihamba iPotchefstroom Road siya ngathi siyemangalana mbamba la ngaseshawela so uhamba so wabrika waflika amaphoyisa azidlulela abambonanga samshaya samthatha samshaya wena ufuna ukusibayizisa sometimes simthathela ama-wheel cap simthathela ama-sound bekuna la sound bewasangena la nkathi a-detachayo yakhumbula ama-detachables simthathela ama-wheel cap ama-87 yabo yakhumbula simthathela ifoni imalinyana bekanayo cabanga I think bekanabo less than 100 rand simthathele lo sethatha abotsotsi abekho right bayakuzoyithatha le 56 rand yakhe mthathele 56 rand yakhe masiceda simtshele imali lapho simlalise sithi soshaya one shot masiceda qhumisa mawuzi shot ushaya ikar awuzolala corporate because sasemshayile qhumise sibone ngase iduma ikar sekayaphuma yahamba until sobamba this one simbambe this guy and this guy later on find out wazana nobhuti wami aselokishini simbambe this guy masiceda khamba sokuyehla wonke umuntu simfaka kwelinye ikasi angeke ngisho simfaka kwelinye ikasi jika uguy wavele wathi hayi laba bayahlanya laba shaya ikara mangena kulelo kasi lakhona vele nakhona kugcwele abantu amaphoyisa namanesi kanjalo avela shaya imoto kasi phakathi ashaya imoto maqeda kushaya imoto the way besenza ngakhona azi mina bengenzani bengingena ku city le emva kwakhe u drive ngimala emva kwakhe kule city le ngibhekane naye so umngane wami task yakhe ukuthi agibele phambili ahlale la konke the moment mina ku taxi driver umngane wami task yakhe kumbamba because sometimes umunye uvula umnyango aphume lambamba umngane wami ayenze so mangafaka nge-seat belt amfaka i-seat belt amanye ama-taxi awana i-seat belt
awuna seat belt
umbamba ngento mara makayenzile umfaka i-seat belt ayenze ukuthi angaphumi abaleke yabo so lobe yangena seat belt umngane wami umbambile mina ngila emva kwakhe so yimi ngilibele ngimtshela jikala ashaya imoto makashaya imoto abona la sengithi ngimkokota inhloko ashaya dead brick makashaya dead brick remember ngila emva kwakhe ngivele ngazithola sengiphezu kwe-dashboard phela sengiyambiza phezu kwe-dashboard ala clever leyana yalwa sefuna ukubamba isibhamu ngigibele ku-dashboard ngigibele phezu komngane wami phela angithi umngane wami bekala sekaphezulu kwanto ngabele ngaphula itrigger because ngiyabona ufuna ukulwa nami sana ngaphula itrigger kwaba ngibona ama-spark ngiqala ukubona isibhamu ngaleyo ndlela lesi like ukuthi close range because angisakhumbuli besiposition ekuphi ngisuke ngaphula itrigger ngathi angeke kathatha isibhamu sami ngahlanya phula itrigger Z88 isibhamu samaphoyisa lesi twa amadlebe wavaleka kwakhwala nswi ngaba ngathi ngiyaphupha at that time because my ama-spark like ingqondo yathi umngane wami wavula umnyango waphuma wabaleka sala sahluthuzeka nalo abona amangisasedizi kanjalo salwa lo mjida khona ukuvula umnyango makavula umnyango uba ne-advantage i-weight distribution sekangaphandle wasihlutha isibhamu wathi sathi twice kimi ayishaya isikopho sengifile mina engqondweni nami ngifile
sadubula vele
twice sengifile
yini sijemile or si
asikaze sajam and sinama hollow point asikaze sajam mara sathi ncanca maqeda bakaphuma ngaphathi bathi yes sadwa le two shot le true story true story kuna abungani wami ngizombiza ngegama mashudu saphila maybe usazoyibona wande leso story leso uzosho sathi ncanca inhloko makathi ngaphandle bathi yes sathi dwa waphuma wabaleka like waba frustrated because qeda ngaphala waphuma wabaleka
okay
yabo so mina ngazitshelani bengithi into zami because ngikhuliswe inyanga remember mama wami lo and ngiyakhumbula mangisakhula nalo sisi lo ngamthathela utshwala ngatshela usisi wami ukuthi wena kulethe ulwasisi loyana ulethe inyanga zaseVenda bayakuloya bathi uyahlanya villagers used to do that mara azange ngihlanye yabo so I always believed into zami khuliswe inyanga phela mina ngaqiniswa yabo bengimgubhela imithi yabo ngakholelwa yazi ubulima yabo and makaphuma ngithi sengifuna ukumgijimisa akeke abalekele isibhamu samaruma usekasiphethe uyabaleka nabantu sebayaphuma nami ngiphume ngibaleka people don't understand kwenzakalani ngiyakhumbula le chart engene kulo ngithe bayabuza yini ngithi basibamba inkunzi
okay kanti yini nibamba
sekuba ngathi sama passenger phela phumelo yani uyagijima ngesibhamu mina ngiphuma ngiyabaleka ngiwani sokudiza abantu abasunderstand ngescape kanjalo damn cishe ngafa ngibulawa isibhamu sami kwenzekeni lapha bangani bamba vele baphuma besi 3 le 2 level lo munye bekahleli la uchipa umfana khona bekahleli la phume wabaleka waseshawela phuma wabaleka umashudu uhlala eSinawana asejuna bamaziba bazothu waphuma wabaleka bangishiye ngiyi1 nalo mjito yo ngahlala and then manje lesibhamu sika Kantubula lomfana ngimgwazile uKantubula sedlameni
okay
Kantubula lo umunye umfana wasikasi bathi umbube kwaba uye otshela labafana damuntu okuthathela isibhamu mfana so alabafana bafika endlini seka phething abangani bakhe ngiyibhamu bafika endlini mara ngikho ngaleso sikhathi endlini bangithatha bathi bangise enyangeni ngiyofasa
okay
ukuthi phela bazokubulala ndoda yabo kuna inyamanya amasini lawa azongincriminate so ngwathintanga because lesini lesengiyenze after isikhathi senginaso lesibhamu yabona so kunamanye amasini bese ngiwayenzile so bangithatha bangisenyangeni ukuthi ngiyoqina yabo and okay long story short ngcine ngiyengaboshwa for assault GPH sengenza matric ngiboshwa for assault GPH bangene ejele ngithola umunye umngane wami ngithola umunye umjida bese operator so like bengi-operator nomngani wakhe and then umngani wakhe maqeda kuphuma wangena lo mfana lo bekadubulana noShimane Matlala adubulana beka-cute kanjani adubulana ntswemtswem lo mfana lo ungena udubulekile makadubuleka uzidubulile bekadubula abantu ahamba nomunye umfana nomngani wakhe makathi uyamkhuza balwela isibhamu safayara wadubuleka maqeda wathi lo mfana huyo umdubulile nohuyo lo mfana bekadubula abantu kwaboshwa lo mfana lo bese kahamba ijaji I think bamgweba ama-life lo mfana lo because abe kwamamort mari uShimane mina ungitshela njengoba adubulekile sekangina-retell istory kudala lo mfana loyani wayangilwisa sengivele ngathi mina sengiyoba i-state witness ngiyayenza so lo Shimane lo makafika ngiyamgeza uba umngane wami sebabangani kanjalo waselokishini mina ngihlala ngasikhathi ngihlala eSinawane uhlala eSinawane ngasePhiri between istrategy esihlukanisa between yazi elokishini sometimes it's just one street nje ehlukanisa uhlala ngalapho ngimjwayela ngaleso sikhathi ngiboshelwe yaso GPH ngiphume ngengayenza i-plea bargain ukulivuma icala because bengakaze ngagwetshwa remember bengilibele ngiphuma kanjani yabo so mangiboshwa bengakaze ngagwetshwa on record angaze ngagwetshwa so bathini ngi-first offender mangithatha i-plea bargain bathi sokupha i-suspended sentence abangiphi i-suspended sentence meaning ngiyohlala ngiyogweba isigwebo sami angikuyoboshwa angikuyobhantinta but if ngizoboshelwa the same case later on bazi kula kuzoba i-problem ngaphuma mangiphuma ngasikhathi bese kubhalwa ama-trial ngoba ngenza umatric ngaleso sikhathi okay ngiyafast forward lo mfana aphume makaphuma nalomunye uBlade besimbiza uBlade uSifiso igama lakhe ugama lami ubizo wami and mina abangani bami ngaleso sikhathi ngihamba nomunye uGwegwe noThabanga bese bayi5 sambe soganga ama-mall like us bewaqala ukwenziwa ngakhumbula iJabulani Mall bengakavulwa but few stores bezivulilwe yabona so sayara sabuya sakanga sinezinto eziningi and bengiceda kudobha isopo like mina on a serious note mina imemese ngiyayidobha yabo
iyakufuna nawe
yangilandelela ngadobha isopo imbashile so yamini irusile ayisa kwelinye ithama la ngilolela yona lo mess le sote le
ungilahlela khona buthi lamajita wayezendlini bakuthatha vele wayoqiniswa and then after ngifuna ukulandelela kahle and then after so unalezi manje
senginalezi abanye abangani bami ngisahambi nalo mashudu noChipa yilaba bangishiye kule crime yangithi obvious azange ngisahamba nabo sachubeka saganga futhi kahle bona laba engisikimana nabo uGogwe noThaba sikimana nabo bebona bebafuna ukungidisarma kahle so bebalibele bahluleka ukungidisarma balibele bahluleka so manje they don't know ukuthi isibhamu siflorile lengibuye ngithi sisale sinini isibhamu so ngiba skima ngaleso sikhathi leso saskimana nabo siskimana ngicine ngiyabatshela isibhamu sele kusini yabo sesiba bangani sifuna isibhamu njengoba silisaganga sibele senza konke senzane until ngiboshwa for assault GPH and then mangiceda kuboshwa for assault GPH ngiyaphuma sengenze 2 friend futhi uShimane noGwego no Blade which is uSifiso sesiyaskimana siba yi5 siba bangani saganga masibuya uganga mina bahamba phambili mina ngisala endlini ngoba njengoba ngishilo ngihlala esitrateni sama-taxi so kune open space mina ngisala endlini ngiyobeka lezi zinto lezi ingudla aba lezi zinto esiphethe and ngiyolanda isort lami because la bese khona bengingaphathanga isort so sesiya eshawela in particular bese ofuna abafana baseshawela baphatha ibhambe ko one of mawufuna isibhamu ehambe eshawele because ababa amatsonga namavenda kucwele bona eMoroccan protein yabo so kuseyibhameni lapho so sithi maybe sothola nje abafananyana singabadisarm isibhamu ngithathe isort ngiqoqa islam mangiphuma abangani bami ngibabone bagijima man bekunomuntu ovela azange nginake sibuye oganga siphethe imali abanye abantu bathathele imali amafoni ngaleso sikhathi bekuyikhathi zama 3310 khona nama Razr 3310 bekhona bese kungena variety of phone ama Motorola Razr ama V360 yabo ama camera phone nyana bewasacala ukuba khona sharp ngibabonile babagijimisa lo muntu I don't care angazi bayenzana bafike bambambe phansi kwesihlahla kungasekhaya phela kufanele nokuthi kaSlam so mina angi-understand angicabanga nokuthi bambambe inkunzi ngize ngiphethe isort mangifika kusini ngathi lo muntu bambambe inkunzi sebayicommit i-crime already sekuyi-crime scene mina ngifunda angika-realize ukuthi crime scene mina ngitshela ukuthi umuntu bamshaya maybe kwale yabona
Okay.
ya icoast lakudala bayalishaya mangifika ngifuna ukubona obani mangisondela lo muntu usekaphansi sekaphuma igazi yamanatha gazi angigcumele amakangigcumela la yabona like shuthi la mehla lokho khona umuntu engimanzi same time uyangibamba amemeze bangibamba inkunzi mfethu akubamba inkunzi ngiyafika mina khane ngifika lezi ziyabaleka ngiphethe isoda. Okay. Sesiyabaleka sibaleke masiceda kubaleka Friday indaba yakhona. Later khona that night so ushonile.
Ubodile la man.
Abode. Okay, ubodile la man sihambile sihambe the following day sesiyuthengisa phela ingudla. Thengise whatever lesi esibuye yenzayo. Mina ngifuna uqamba manga it's just ukuthi mhlambe izodrega but mina ngeke sengi heartless like I said ngicine sengiba ukuthi abantu ba evil like I said abantu ba evil so doing evil into yethu so nami ngizodash evil yabo mangiyenza bengingafeel guilty I will feel guilty maybe mangenza izinto like umuntu ongadeserve undeserving yabo.
Okay.
Like udubula umuntu ongandeserve ngoba sometimes bewudayikiwe wenzeni la kula ngifeel like guilty lo umuntu beyangadeserve azange asidelele or azange a resist because abotsotsi they own the into ukuthi why resist wena abona so like why beka resist masize abo masis justify why beka resist naye bemele ayenze ucabanga ukuthi ubani yabo. Okay, Friday Saturday siye eBheshini masifika la eBheshini I think I don't know whether guilty noma yini or the spirit of death bese sibambile sayisusa ibiya mawuyenza so mawuvula into ithi ngaso sikhathi bokusadlala ngama-vinyl ngaleso sikhathi sihleli phambi ku-DJ siyenza so sichitha into like sifuna ukuyisusa and sayisusa sagcina sesikwazi uMr Party.
Hayi wena.
Yeah, sakwazi uMr Party abangani bakhe bathi bayikhera sabagwaza until manje sokuba ngathi labanye abantu sebayikhera sebasigijimisa sabaleka si3 ngaleso sikhathi lethule angithi besi4 lethule ihlala ephiri so lethule ile yaseKaslami uThabang noGwegwe la ngithi bebathi bayangidisama ukuthi ngibajwayela so ngaleso sikhathi eBheshini ngihamba noThabang noGwegwe si3 naboCherry kunomunye umntana abantu umntana khona ngambamba ngalelo langa ngamterrorize kanjani so lethu ayikho le ushimane nonto abekho mara besinabo nini izolo Friday mara Saturday fandaga abekho sikwazi uMr Party siphume sibaleke okay sigcine sesihamba shiya abantwana eBheshini sibaleke kuba iSunday ekseni makuba iSunday ekseni mangizofika ekhaya bona kucwele abantu abaningi like kuyabona kubusy istraat leso sibusy but lokubusy ngenye indlela nginga-understand until abanye abafana bathi bayenza so gate basayinela ukuthi sibale sabaleka and then last figure sime khona kune-elka sidlulile mina nawe manje njengoba
sizibona
bese lapho ngithi noma iCherry kaBhutwami ayihlale far from lapho ngithi ithi ngiyobheka uCherry kaBhutwami unefone maybe uCherry izokhona ukumfonela eze ngifuna ukunderstand labantu abasilapha endlini bafunani because
lapha endlini
basendlini ngithi because phela sikwazi umuntu angithi thina sazi sikwazi umuntu Friday and sikwazi umuntu Saturday so basifunela for liphi icala yabo bangifonela uCherry kaBhutwami phone uBhutwami makafika uBhutwami athi yo mfana angazi nenzeni sekangiphathele impahla ngihamba ngecompany kasekaphethe impahla athi mfana ngiyakhambisa uyahamba uye Northwest yabale bangithatha wayongibeka ngase Waterworks yabona ngale
ngiyabona
kune hiking spot lapho ngathi Potchefstroom
so after Sasol lapho
after Sasol lapho wangibeka la ngahike ngaye Northwest.
Okay,
and mangifike eNorthwest ngihamba nomalume wami mase ngifona uMagwagwe sekangitshela mfethu ufuna umphakathi for a murder le Friday
leya ka Mr Party
not ya ka Mr Party Friday enkunzi eish yamela leya
ukuthi le out le ibhodile iye yakhipha igama lakho maybe before evaya bayeze kanjani ukuthi
I don't know mara mina mangihlanganisa everything le out le ibhode I mean umphakathi la uthi ngathi uvele ushonile nje because if bekayeke oyewakhipha igama lami emele basilande Saturday because Saturday it was a normal day we woke up besihamba akekho bokungena umphakathi so but umphakathi uze Sunday so mina mangibheka umphakathi usuke wa survey ukuthi kushona umuntu Friday lapho ukwaziwe labafana Saturday because it's usekasi but it's just different sections labafana Friday I mean Saturday bebadelela besidelela like lokho ukuthi besifuna impi vele so I think kulo mphakathi because angithi kusafuneka ukuthi ubani okwaze lo muntu loyana I think bahlanganise into bathi hayi le ntwana lezi and you know umphakathi sometimes once bakusola bazoya so I think basuke bacabanga lapho umphakathi njoba sebaphinda icase to the case of Friday to us and then mina njoba ngihamba ngeNorthwest kanti angazi abangani bami laba bayi2 bahamba baba bathini yenziwe yimi and then bathi yenziwe yimi okay mina ngazi ngiyahamba and then ngicina ngizibophisa eventually because manje ngizibophisa kanje umphakathi uzoshisa ekhaya Friday ngicabanga ngazi mina umphakathi usually ushisa ngeFriday or Saturday because angithi ngibaleke Sunday so kuyi Monday kula ngidiscover khona ukuthi kwenzekeni yabo and then sengiyezwa ukuthi kahle sifuneka for le case ya Friday okay sifuneka icase ya Friday yo hey kanjani manje yabo and then in that kuleyo case leyo mina ngimkwazile but mina in my angimkwazela ngufa bengibaleka mina bengimkwazela ukubaleka I understand and uzozwa nawe mangifike court mase sifike court ukuthi it never made sense kimi but ngathi konje nawo nedemoni lokugwazana agcine ngithatha but ke Friday kulelo viki lelo la Monday Tuesday ngicine ngenzani ngifonela iDelisani ukuthi ayazini ngingenze ukuthi ngizibophise sengicabangani bazoshisa endlini nomphakathi endlini abakwazi ukuthi bashiselwe for it bangayazi yabo sengiyacabanga no futhi ngizizele uyakhumbula ngazizela la eSoweto hayi no
so uso Northwest
ngazizela la
wabuya voluntarily wena uyi1
sengisho ukuthi mangithi ukuza la ukuthi ngizohlala la eSoweto first you remember ngazizela because o magistrate wathi wena wafika la ngiyise state school ukusuka kwami Northwest ngize eSoweto ngazizela bangembrace ekhaya so manje njoba ngibalekile ngise Northwest ngihamba nomalume wami silibele sihamba silala kumbe kusana ama Formula 1 at the time besihamba silala indaweni eningi until mina ngeThursday sesibuyele Northwest la malume wami ngakhona ngafonela bengilibele ngikhuluma neDelisani reporter ngikhuluma naye le out le ngamtshela ukuthi azini ngifuna ukukhuluma naye into engifuna ukuthi umphakathi ngiboshwe and umphakathi knows ukuthi ngiboshiwe and because umphakathi kwamanje at least wona u different awufani umphakathi uthi bazoshisa la ngoba khabo sigebengu but bona bebathi sizoshisa la because of nimbalekisile yabo ngithi okay kushuthi kumele kuboshwe mina makungaboshwa mina at least bazobayeka and then ngakhuluma nale reporter Friday ngaya media 24 la eOakland Park I think so Oakland Park in Melvin I think ngaya lapho mangifika thola vele sebangarrangele amaphoyisa iguqa semroka zimile lapho bangibophe angibopha bangicharge for murder ngihambe mangifike emroka vele le out wayenza into yakhe mangifike emroka ngithola kusocela umphakathi uthi okay ngiyacharge for murder this is Friday Monday istory sakhona besiphume kuDelisani bekuDelisani ngi 19 November 2007 ngaboshwa mangiceda kuboshwa tholi remind bangiremindela to Sun City and then long story short the day of trial abangani bami mina ngikamba I made the case mina ku case yami I'm admitting kule cala la Friday because bekuna too many witnesses angikwazi ukuthi I mean la Saturday eBheshini icala engilivuma ile la Saturday eBheshini because there were too many witnesses so ngiyasho lo muntu akashonanga sengiestablishile akashonanga this is 2018 amakuzokhulunywa icala akashonanga lo muntu so mina my statement ukuthi lelo abangani bami angikhulumi nangabo until masekukhulunywa icala abangani bami they become state witness
against you now
and then mabafika mababa ku stand umngani wami obathini abangazi angisumngani wabo I just showed up from some nowhere bebana bebazihambela bayi4 beze umuntu amemeza mabathi lo muntu makamemeza babona mina ngiyamgwaza nithini and sengibhalisa statement angisakwazi ukujika statement ngikhulume the actual like ngisho ukuthi kahle kwenzeke so ayikho yonke lento le crime yenziwe yibo mina I got into crime scene and mase ngizobathi lo muntu ukwaze 25 times ngathi no so ngoba bengimncane angina lawyer we should have done autopsy ukuthi cela nicheck imimese ukuthi how many imimese leyo ukuthi umuntu oyiwana ngakwazi umuntu 25 times now.
Yo.
And then cela mina bengiyoyikhipha ngoba bengiyifihlile since ngayifihla isoti yakhona bengigubhela bengiyoyikhipha bengizosho ukuthi ikuphi and ngicela ni compare to ama step hounds ukuthi ngabe yiye ekwazi umuntu 25 times. So I just knew ukuthi bangithengisile and then I couldn't turn because sengibhalisa statement manje and then ngicela ukuphakamisa isandla ngathi everything I'm going to say is the truth and ngaleso sikhathi amanga lento engishilo so angisakwazi ukubuya inhloko ya freezer bro wami ajema inhloko ngagwetshwa 20 years
yes
for a murder. Hamba from Sun City ngafike ngahlala eSun City eMiddelburg kancane from lapho ngaya eVenda ngathatha itransfer acala eMataji bengazi ngikutama mina ese private prison ngifuna ukuyogeleza ngithi ngiboshwa ngesathe encusa esigela ngenza matric kahle ngiboshwa 16 days ngiceda kubhala ama matric mina one thing isigela kule journey yonke la isigela bengiziyela bengithanda ngamane mangishoti mangifuna calculator ngitshontshe icalculator la yeswapa nomngane wami kwesinye isikole textbook ngitshontshe ngiswape like bengithanda bengingafuna ama excuse uthi angena material hayi yabo ngoba bengisithanda isigela so mase ngilapha ngithi hamba ngifuna like ngiyengaba ne reflection moment because bekuyi after ngiceda kushisa yenye outing amanzi sengisema singilisele kuhlala ngiyi1 nga reflecta kancane and I was like dona mara yayibona life yakho ukuthi kahle igazi ne violence
and as uchaza mina I'm thinking you're much older ndoda because now the your experiences and the things you're doing I would expect maybe umuntu ose ekhulile nyana you know and a person who's maybe a little bit older than a matriculant.
No, remember ngithi ngiqala isikole ngimdala but bangiboshwa bengina 22 I think.
Okay. So you were not within the normal age of a matriculant.
Yeah, the matriculant bengena 17 bengena 18 babo ngoba ngithi ngiqale ngimdala and in between ngiyenza ama shenanigans ujump isikolo ngaza ama fraud nyana na but ke ngicine ngiqeda isikolo ke na 21 matric ngubhale ngina 21
okay
so ngaya mabaceda bangigwebe August ngo September 8 of September ngithatha itransfer ngeVenda angifike eVenda bengingazi umthetho before ungena eKutama mele within your sentence bese una 6 months and mina ngisana a month kula ngistaka khona eMataji eMataji mawungena le ndawo leyana idark lama ngithi dark angisho first iso abona kudark kanjani ngathi studio kuso first number 1 and then the secondly like the atmosphere yona uzoyizwa ngizwe mase ngoba ngisama maximum thina besihlala ema single cell and at that time kunomunye umfana ongayi iBhayibheli nomngane wami akahlangana nami eSun City before ngihamba uhlangana nami athi ngiyezwa wena bathi soyadubulana ntswemtswem ngithi athi hayazini asambe senkonzweni kungcono sambe senkonzweni ngithi yabo ngasho angazonkhenya la ngitshela ngechurch lo isigebengu mina yabo athi ngithini ngenza excuse ngithi angina Bible angigaya iBhayibheli so mangithatha le Bible ngifunda iBhayibheli for ukuthi ngithola ama mistakes kwazi ukuagiwa nama Christians like ngifunda nje ukuthi ngagiwe batshelela iBhayibheli bheka la iBhayibheli lithini nenibheka la lithini this is contradiction aningeke ngalento yenu yabo so mangiyevenda mangifika ngihlala ema single cell eMataji first sihlala ema single cell I think for 2-3 weeks ma single cell akhona lapho basivulela aboma 8 ekseni bayasibala kuze ukudla from lapho ngabo 9 bayasivalela uhlala useseleni most of the time bazonivulela futhi around boma 12 masidla ukudla last dish phaki last dish around boma 12 from lapho bayanivalela
so maybe nivulela what's your movement bavele bavulisela when you can jiga
you can jiga ipassage yabona la at least ilane nana understand yabona iminyango injani think of it as iminyango amasela passage in the and TV yakhona yabona lapha ipunishment babeka iTV le ebondweni amajita bewaphula amamira aphula imira bayathetshe ku toothbrush so abheka iTV cabanga ubheka iTV le ibheke so kumira yana engaka yabona so at least makuqeda kuvulwa kulawo bana le movement ngiyana ubheka iTV wenze from lapho bayanikhiela so my point here angina anything okufunda angina anything except le Bible so mara mangilibele ngifunda le Bible remember mina lento lo like ngi proud ukuthi ngiyinja like ngi proud besizibiza abangani babe sizibiza inja zikaMdeva izinja zikaSathana and vele sokwenzela like singena remorse bengena remorse noma ngigwetshiwe lapha mina angina remorse like ngisolela ukuthi labangani bami bangithengisile for le case and though izinto didn't play out the way kwenzeka ngakhona but angina remorse ukuthi umuntu abantu ushonile and stuff. I'm just being honest, and this is nothing to do with whether ngiya glorify crime. I'm just telling the story as it is so that abantu i-reality okusalayo so that people can understand maybe the direction of the story. Qala ngifunda iBhayibheli, but for the first time in my life conscience yami ngathi seyahwabheka. Ngafunda iBhayibheli, ngiyafunda and lapho okay until size siphuma kula ma single cell sebayosifaka kwenye ama single cell nakhona ama maximum bayibiza maximum 1 hlala nga 2 nayo yabo difference la bengikhona la ma single cell la bengikhona ngihlele uma 3 weeks or 4 weeks I think besihlala nga 1 eseleni so la sohlala khona sihlala nga 2 ngifike ngihlala nomunye umfana oreborn umfana umpedi ngifike ngihlala so kunomfana engisuke naye eSun City eTrucking wase Kliptown besikhuluma nje masifika mina naye mina naye besithi kuphela basifake kule section ebasifake kuyo kule section le yena bayumfaka kulisele elisekhoneni kanti mangangena lapho le ifuna ukumrape za rapeana lezi mawungena eseleni ukhiye ukuvaleleka naye futhi singene bese kubaliwe sekuvaliwe bamfake mina bangifaka naleyo ribbon intanga yami yabo ufana nyana intanga yana futhi ngiyayibona ibhari le bhari nyana umpedi angengitshele next seleyo rota bamfaka khona bamfaka kwenye yetsonga ngathi bethi yamrape so leyo rota bengingazi 26 ushaya inombolo ejele uvika sama 26 inkoqa into yabo ukukhuluma he spoke his way out ngimhlophe nyana like mina bengimncane la kuleyo section le bekhona intwana ezincane so intwana ezincane stands out ejele because lapho thola bonjiva labo phuta abadala so bengina 22 at the time abo still young and ijela ngithola ilanga ngimhlophe kube bengiphethe ithombe zami ozobona bengi-yellow bone ngishaya ngeshluthu and I didn't know ukuthi ngoba bengenza etrial besenza i-Eden le uyadla uyalala yabona so nonanonile nginama caves enyana so my ngithengisa le yana obvious it makes sense ngoba ngimhlophe nyana ngineshluthu okay later following day him engisuggesta into kuthazini yabona la kunjani ama singles sihlala C2 and manje wena uhlala nomunye umuntu mina ngihlala nomunye umuntu how about isifunisela kunamasela avaliwe dasitholele sele sihlale C2 athi hayi hoza kulele lami le lapha kule sele lami yaphuma yahamba washo ngithi okay see you can't just move ejele sometimes you have to arrange yabo so ngicela elinye iphoyisa kuqala ukuthi okay ngifuna ukuyomove athi le phoyisa lele vele lanka thumbs up like ngine favor nyana like bebangithanda I think maybe the way you know I don't come off as umuntu opeta and stuff and into besengifundile ejele kunento ebizwa bayibiza first lache iphepha la ubhala request yabo anything mawubhalile yabona mawuphethe anything in the paper that's documented they take you serious and I remember mina ngumntana esikole yabo so ngenze so bebang frustala amaphoyisa bathi you can move azange afune kube into on record uvele abo wathi ungabhali first lache uzoyenza okay cool mangihamba ngiya kule cell sekulate around boma 1 bebakhiya mangithi ngiyaya kule cell ngiphethe into yami imibhede i2 kule cell kunombhede waphansi kunophezulu mangifika ngithola lo mbhede waphansi layout ehlala kule la cell yiyemele iphume phela ngithi mangibona into zayo ngibuze le rota ukuthi manje lo muntu uhamba kanjani kubeni kunento zakhe la ngithi ayikho lento bakakhiphe into zakhe angisho kanje urota instead kuba ufuna ukukhipha umbhede wakhe ngithi ngizohlala nawe eseleni because the reason ukuthi mina ngithi sihlala sonke siphume eJozi yabo la ku mix kunamatsonga kunani uzosipayizela leso ngithi nejele abakwazi ukungena because bayase maximum bayas dangerous phela like ejele bakuweya on your isigwebo sakho ne crime yabo so that's why mina all my entire journey before until ematouch angakekho umuntu oke wangipayizela you understand because yami mangene eSun City already bese babone i-newspaper sebangibonile so already they know lentwana le so igebengu baku based on crime yakho that's why some guys makangena aboshula crime ebhedayo ahamba afika yenze big things so that makangena lapha na bazomsaba bazomhlonipha ukuthi hayi lo bosha uJozi beka gibele phezulu kwecounter ikati akawoshelwa ukuthatha ifoni yomuntu yabo because that's where uqhonywa ngalezo zinto ejele qhonywa ngema crime angazongitshela wena uboshelwe iqhekeza ibutch which is i-rape leyo yabona so mina bebangangidelele etrial banginta akekho umuntu bekafuna ukungitreata ukuthi in yabo so lapha ematouch nabo they know ukuthi hey abakwazi ukungena straight so ngithini angeke basingene straight but bazosingena ngokuthi mabalibele uhlala nomuntu owumngani wabo bazongena eseleni basithole ulele so lahlile lapha yana maybe that's why bazothola imiqabango nyana because banomngani but masihlala si2 abasaza angeke bazolibele basijwayele basibhayizela yabona ngikho bengithi ngiyohlala naye and then manje ngiyamangala nama akafuna ukhipha umbhede wakhe kudayi ngithi naye tshela lo muntu akhipha izinto ngibuyele eseleni ngaso sikhathi sekuyabalwa so the whole bangibuyele eseleni lo mfana lo ngathi lento le emshaye ngaphakathi ukuthi ngilijampile ifraud athi angibuze ukuthi kanti lo uRoda umazi kanjani ngimtshela uRoda angimazi ngihlangane naye trucking yabo uphuma eSun City and ngale Jozi Clever asenze amasemba wasejela sorry kusho kanje bengimara ngayibeka kanjalo asenze lezi zinto zasejela so awuthi khambani mara nga understand wayenza so athi lo muntu lo yakubhayisa yakuthengisa lo muntu lo ukuthengiselela awuthela la phansi awuzibuzi wena ngithi yikho ngithi ngingayanga lapha athi yikho I'm just telling you ukuthi wenzakalana athi bekakuthengisela lo muntu olala phansi and le mfana lo vele uploma nabo la mawuthi la athi bekakuthengisela lo muntu bekalala phansi umfana sekangitshela lo mfana lathi lo muntu ngalelo langa nifika bathi bayamrape
so
wabalansa ngawo lo muntu ukuthengisile labo lo mfana sekanarrate the whole story athi ukuthengisile wena bemele ukhiyeleke lapha that's why bayenze ngalesikhathi lesi sokuzobalwa ngayo when at the moment you realize what's happening so ukhiyelekile eseleni and then ebusuku uzokhipha umesa afuna ukukwazi afuna ukurape hey bantu ingqondo seyabuya manje ukuthi usejele
akunamngane
usejele so kuyaphela ubuhleva kancane mase uyaqala you question your into okay ngenzeni hlala kule cell uRoda sengimshaya ngebhoma ngisamringisa lo mfana lo obviously une connection nabo labantu laba sengithi ngisuke kule cell ngiyohlala nomunye umuntu and then ngenze i-brief ngibhale into ukuthi ngiphuma la because of lo mfana uyabhema mina ngibhemi angiyakweli lesele lengiyakuyo umfana khona akabhemi uhlala i1 ngihlala umfana khona before kuzobalwa bekangekho vele wavela kuzobalwa just before singene eseleni wagijima like mawusojwayelekile uyakhona ukuthi ungagijima bazobuya bakubhalele later on usalele ngaphandle lo mfana lo and mina mangibheka umuntu ofaka ifahanyana umuntu wabona umuntu spiritual yabo and ubukeka la mahotmani yana yabo afika nje ufike wahlala phansi wangitshela mfana ngicela ukukutshela straight njoba bengisale emuva because of bangibizile bababona amajida wathi angifuni ukubiza ukusho amagama but I just knew wathi bangibizile njoba babona ngimuvele eseleni lakho bathini ngiphume la ngathelwa amaqhaphezela wathi kahle bakumakile labantu bafuna ukukujinja base bayexoxa base bayesasaza abo lapho kulanga freezer khona amadola mara inkani futhi inkani yami kude venda ngizutshela wena boshela ukuraping inkomo mhlambe wena emara abo lapho ngashiva and mangibabheka ama-hotman bayajima bona most of babayenza bayajima ama-hotman imnyama ngishive sekangicela lo mjita ngiyacela mfana yazi ngicelani get out of the cell mfana angifuni kusasa mfana afuna enye indawo yenza i-excuse ngibona le ndaba i-serious gcine ngimove out ufela the following day ngingena ngithola isela sokuba isele ngihlala kulo yabo thola isela lesele ngihlala kulo sengiyazi ngimakiyo sengihlala ngiyi-1 ngiyaphuma makubalwa mangiceda ngene eseleni ngiyavala sengenza ama-setup ngenza ama-push-up ngiyajima phathi i-ball pen i-toothbrush ngilole la emuva ebondweni just ibe sharp ukuthi at least ngizilwela i-ball pen ne-toothbrush kodwa mabangangena bangizwa umuntu ngathi uthinta umnyango ngiyazibamba kodwa at least ngibhode
ufunani wena
yeah ngibhode I mean bangirape ngibhodile because mina like I said I was super self-conscious and if there was something that is why I was zonke lezi zinto bengizenza I will always revisit lezo low moments la and I will make excuse for myself ukuthi avele abantu babi and ubonile in so mina I live with my thoughts that's where I'm going so if ngizovuma because lapha there was a time la imicondo seyangena kodwa kunokuthi urage abafana abaningi abobhuti abaningi waye ungathole wani ke akwenza umfazi at least ube umfazi because of that's the option most young boy take that's the easy way out uthola ubhuti uzokuprotect and then that's what they sell nababanye bayazibayenza bakushaya ngomqondo bazolibele bathumela lezi ezinye ukuthi amfana uyabona wena ukusala iyenzeka lento and vele now mang read the situation amaphoyisa awahlali nathi sectionini amaphoyisa like abona la singene khona angale beyond the gate akhile so they always comes after the party like amaphoyisa movie seyenzakele into ngiyacabanga vele but leyo ngithi angeke I'm a man ngithi angeke uphila kanjani with myself like ngiyophila kanjani like I just knew ukuthi ngiyofa the way mina ngikhona the way my thoughts the way like I'm deep mina yabo ngathi hayi ngiyofa ngeke ngikhona mara ngiyabona mangicabanga the easy the that one should imele ngilo mara ngithi I am willing to die angeke lezi ngishama setup until makuza kuna kusema sectionini like lo mfana lo bekahlala ngathi beka kwenye section so mageza uza kule section esikuyo mageza mfana khona uyasatshwa uCasper or Casper or something uyasatshwa umvenda umuntu so bathi ushane karate so ukuza kanje kuyabona into kuyakhulunywa ukuthi lo mfana uyaripana wenzani uyashayana kulibele kukhulunywa ngaye bayamsaba wonke umuntu until afike sectionini sonke sithukile nami ngiyasho bathi lo kulande eselini ukhahlelisele akungena kukhahlela enzeni ama rapes umfana khona mawuzo uhamba ama federal charge wala ejele ama rape like konke section lapho makhona phuma nge rape and siyazwa so uphume kule sele rape uphume kule sele mara kusinto enzeka every day uzozwa after isikhathi
every now and then
until afike sectionini yethu ngibhizi neBible at that time ngeke sengiconvicted iBible lithe mangifunda for whatever reason mina it was reflection it was like a mirror for the first time I could see myself and ngabona mfana miserable broken so broken that you have embraced evil and then evil has become you have become part with evil and then awusabona ole lakho lenzeni but manje huwe leyo yenza huwe manje this is you can't make excuse for ipain yakho nani you are evil now kwa wena you are the same monster boyikhala ngayo ukuthi labantu now you are that monster even worse because bona zange bakubulala and then when you are doing all these things ngiyibone like bekwi reflection like it was like ngiyibone ngisengiconvicted manje sokusele nje ukuthi ngisindiswe ngafana wangena mangangena do you know ukuthi la mfana lana wangithanda like ukungithanda ukungifrustana bekahleza ngibulisa bafunzi usharp
wena uthi that guy wafika wangena eselini lakho
no akangena ngesection wangena sectionini not eselini lami wavele wangincanywa not ukungithanda ngezibheda wangincanywa nje lokhu ukuthi makangibona abafunzi angibiza abafunzi sometimes mangidlula athi bafunzi lokhorimini film zimi what does the word of God say like wangincanywa kanjalo because uyasatshwa umuntu osatshwayo uyangifrustana sometimes bafunzi avele ukhona like akangeni the way ukhahlele umnyango beka yabo like inhlonipho alright bafunzi ukhona athi hayi ngibacheka bengukucheka ukhulume ngesifebe bengukucheka ukhona akuna yabona akuna tights bafunzi akuna tights ava kathi bengiphuma mina ngesikhathi sokubalwa ngingene eseleni bengiphuma ngephaka ngingene eseleni yabo from lapho sengiyakwazi ukuhamba sengiyabona umuntu abamsaba yamfrustana sengihamba la kwamampela nesection yethu azanka rape umuntu lamfana wangena esection yethu bekahleza bekathanda itiyele lezi ZCC ahleza ugcoka ibhantshi laphana aziphuzela into aziphuzela itiye mara uyambona uyadela uyasatshwa yabona he owns the place mara nje azanke kwaze kwadlule ngihlele 5 months lapha yadlula 5 months ngaphuma ngaye kudama yeah fike kutama mangifika already sengisindisiwe ke kanjalo sengisindisiwe mangifike kutama one of the brothers ubrother Thabo Mubeng bekasebenza phambili ku reception so as soon as he picked up ukuthi I'm a Christian wangithatha wayenza sure manipulate into zakhe ukuthi ngihambe ngiyongena ku section bathi eyellow yellow it was more of a school section yabona yeah most prisoners bebayibiza abantu we getting preferential treatment ngaya lapho and as soon ngifika lapho yenza izinto zakhe ngangena ku the right section futhi and then wayenza sure ukuthi I team up nama brothers because ekutama the difference is awubanjwa nkunzi awurejwa but isotomi sotomi sadliwa isibunu da siyadliwa isibunu uthola uclever kunamunye umfana case akhona mhlambe ningayazi yaseGomora bayebashisa umuntu ngeplastic bamshisa la ama-balls case akhona behamba ijaji yaduma early 2000 umfana khona bekasatshwa the whole of ijuvenile because kunomunye umfana beka related naye bekwaseKaslama lo mfana bangifika ngimthola Dunusa ngize ngisho uye lo muntu benemsaba bekasatshwa kangaka yento umthola uyadunusa lapha yana and lapho akusi rape he did hear me right ayikuthi ufike washa bamthusa bamrape into bayenza like environmental
culture yakho
culture mawungena lapha na to an extent nathi mawuhamba la basho ukuthi mawubatshela hey angenzi lo dot bayakumangalela bakumangalela unamanga
but ngeke bakuforce
bakuforce awurate
uzo decide ukuthi
bayakushela umfana uma ungena eselini uthola lezi ezama-hotman livule lokhari kuvela ama-noodles ushelwa nge-noodles movite ama-tennis biscuit ama-peanut butter
indlala ibhoke kanjalo or usuke uthanda izinto
ngaleso sikhathi wonke umuntu uyasebenza wonke umuntu uyahola it's an environmental thing like it's a culture yara kudliwa isibuni mina that's why ingamake sense because mina ngicine remember I have a matric so lapha nabo chashwa ngama qualification it's a private prison so into esincedile ukuthi they are trying to ukukwenza because kuvulwa ngo6 ekseni kuvalwa ku6 ntambama from lapho kuyafundwa kenziwa kune basketball court like afana like ama American prison if uke wabona kuneyinsimbi kunabajimayo because vele it was an American prison kuvulwa ngama unama cameras and stuff understand and esicoka yellow asicoki orange yabo so yonke into yakhona is different but the thing kudliwa isibuni and mina bengangimake sense because even nama Russian wakhona you get your basics akufana ne DCS DCS too much corruption sometimes you don't get sheets you don't get in lapho uthola yonke into yakho but still it didn't make sense ukuthi waya mawuthenza kanjalo bakudliwa isibuni bekudliwa isibuni lapha ekutama
but unfortunately they don't coerce you into it
uyashelela kube ufunela because ubheka ama noodles totally
mobile yo and then tell me about then at what point are you then freed from that system or maybe before we get to you coming out, tell me about your evolution as to angithi waba umuntu osindiswayo. How did your life change after? Ngifuna ukuthi sifike la si rap khona so that umuntu obukele azokhona ukuthola ukuthi how has your journey been and that you're not just someone who's proud of what you've done, but I want us to move with it to a point where you are now transitioning into a better version of the person you used to be.
Yeah. Apha esingisele bangisasematacho bangilibele ngifunda this one time basebusuku lapho manje ngiyengeza conviction lapho to an extent manje being every verse mangibona bese yangiconvict but manje because of ngifunda Old Testament bengilifunda iBhayibheli ngiyazivalela ngifunda iBhayibheli ngaqeda ngaza how many times so angazi bengazi mina ukuthi like kwenziwani ngisengifuna a way out yabona ukuthi okay kumele ngenze sengiconvicted ukuthi I'm evil and deserve ukubulawa vele like ngenze like this is ngimubi yabo lokho and uNkulunkulu akayifuni lento leyo like manje sengiremorseful for the first time in my life sengiremorseful I'm no longer making ama excuses ukuthi abangani bami yibo ini sonke sengiremorseful I remember one time ngafunda ngifunde benginenkinga noJesu I had all these things ukuthi uJesu is a Jew and ushonile futhi and ninama Christians you are saying ubudlozi is wrong and then nane nikhonza umuntu oshonile yabona bengiphethe nalezi zinto I had sengiyayifunda iBhayibheli but I had a Jesus problem manje ukuthi hey until ngifunda iRomans chapter 10 verse 9 and 10 if ukholwa ngenhliziyo yakho uvuma ngomlomo wakho ukuthi uJesu unguNkosi uzosindiswa mangibheka those verses I don't know ngithole ngikhala Brian for the first time angikhali mina until dangerous I mean the tigers don't cry athole ngikhala mara lapha yana athandaza I remember I did that scripture ngiwane sele no one has ever preached to me I did the source scripture and then after lapho ngiceda khala bengimntwana I just knew ngumntwana to an extent that sensitive even nokuxoxa ngestories of crime I started manje sengixoxa out of because my direction kakhulu when it comes to amajita I wanted to go okay think as raw as and then ngikhuluma izinto esinjalo so that they can refer they can research ukuthi kwamampela umuntu uyenzile lo ikhona ngibiza amagama ngamabomu so that umunye umuntu ayobuza so that they can able to see ukuthi lo muntu akaxoxa inganekwane and then even na my salvation kufuna ibe as loud as so that people can see kwamampela ukuthi umuntu asindiswa so from lapho ngaba sensitive lokho ukuthi angifuni ukucabanga about the crime and vele from lapho I just knew ukuthi ngishintshile I knew no one had to say I just knew ukuthi ngishintshile sengithanda iBhayibheli I couldn't even stay without iBhayibheli and then mangifike kuTama ngajoin ichurch ngifuthi ngayenza idecision kahle ichurch ngicale ukuyifuna ngisasematatshi so ematatshi bokungena into because ama maximum zesihlala emaseleni so ama movement are limited mangifike kuTama I found the church and then I served in the church and then ngaba later on ngaba facilitator and then I chose iBible study ngathi ngifuna ukufundisa iBible study kahle I prayed kuNkulunkulu ukuthi abana yonke lemisebenzi ekhona ngifuna ukukusebenzela wena but while ngihola and then he opened the way ukuthi ngibe Bible study into ngaba iBible study sengiyafundisa and I started doing ama one-on-one this type of setup namajita ngihlala namajita ngibahlale and that's where I realized that I'm big on healing because I started realizing that at most is it look what you're saying at most of how people turn up it's started while they were young while they haven't built their sense of self so mostly your environment what you experience lentele it shapes you hence yakwejo I mean semanzi it shapes you it molds you into a certain type of character ozobona izinto yabona so I started learning lapho ukuthi that's some of gents because ekutama ukula uthola umuntu wenza 500 years
cabanga
uthola all kinds of characters but like abasatshwa but mawuhlala mina masengihlala because now I knew ukuthi kwamina ngenza izinto ezisabekayo nani and but here I am I just believed ukuthi umuntu uyashintsha ngakholwa ukuthi umuntu uyashintsha that's how I started giving amajita opportunity ngihlale nabo phansi and then babacala especially abanye bakutshele the rapes ones umuntu akutshele most abafana barejwa basasebancane ijuvenile Mary term la kunento bayibiza Mary term abo umuntu wakhona wangena eintwana umunye bekabhema umunye ohlulwe ukudla yabona because ukudla kwase prison akukho enough leyo what we see on TikTok is not the reflection of into yabona that's why now kunama out ukuthi mela phande on the in because ukudla is not enough and it's worse mawuntwana encane I understand intwana encane kulaba is rape bayazigruma and there's two extremes out of rape enzeka kubafana abancane oyi-one it's either he becomes led to an extent ukuthi kuba ukuthi they will initiate like la hamba khona they have that aura ukuthi sekafuna ukulalwa umunye yilaba bayazithengisa ama out umunye extremes the other extreme ilaba ba rape yeah that's into ngayibona ukuthi most abayenza ejele besithi bashaya iskitreg uyaziphindisela lento yenzwa kuye you understand because akahilanga you can't live with themselves that's why most of them can't live outside prison but hleze ba re-offend so thina sothi uthanda ijele kanti no he can't cope with being outside because of into yayenzeka it's such a traumatic experience because it breaks you prison kahle mina I've seen ukuthi that system is made to emasculate you it breaks you thathela ubdoda like kumele ube enough it's a humiliation ritual yandawo leyana And if you are unfortunate and are not a strong character, you are likely to become, it's going to shape you. You're going to become lento. Because even nama gangsters, some gangsters are dangerous. Like, in order for you to be taken serious, mele critics.
Yeah, that's true.
And then critics, prison, azokushaya poison. So akukho lula, that's what I'm trying to, that's where I'm going.
Okay.
So they know Leo journey Leo to critics is not a journey anyone, every person can take. And then the easy way kutin udliwe ibone.
Okay.
I understand. So, and Leonto Leo, once wangena, you are trapped in it. You can't grow within ranks. I understand. Awindawo bayakunyatsa bakubiza umcoco bathi umcoco. I understand. Shuthi into yokudliwa. I understand. So awusayi indawo, and then you feel trapped. And then umjita makaphuma la ngaphandle akasakhona, abanye umoya sakazoba after 9. Amanye akasakhuphi because abanye ngalesikhathi aphuma sekumele abe umalume akasakhona. So into I find out kukutama on my conversations, when I started having conversations namajita. That's where I started to realize. That's why intentionally ngifuna ukuxoxa my childhood story ukuthi ngikwazi ukubringa that into ukuthi most asibheke characters that we know. R. Kelly mawungahlala phansi umamele story sakhe, something happened to him in his childhood. Moses Sithole, the ABC murderer. It all started ebuncaneni babo. Almost all these creepy characters, all this, they
start from a young age.
Yeah, it start from a young age. It was unattended and unaddressed. Ukhula nayo lento le, but imshape at that time. And then one way or the other, into engaphakathi kwakho izofuna ukuthi uyive like iphume, izofuna an expression. That's where most of them akayenza personal expression now. And nami ubutsotsi ukulimaza abantu bekuyi personal expression. Bekuyinto ukuthi ngizibona ngomalimaza because vele nginenhliziyo embi. And then vele ngoba ngiquiet, and people will start saying the same exact words kama mama. Wena unenhliziyo embi yong. Because I'm quiet, but lezi ezithulile zinenhliziyo embi.
Shucks.
But mabayisho bayevuselela le that perception of myself ngisho ukuthi vele nginenhliziyo embi. And then vele ngifuna ukuexpressa
inhliziyo embi.
And ukuthi ngiexpress ukuthi ngokukaphe ngenzeni. So the lesson engayifunda more, especially parents, anyone who have parental authority over you, they are like prophets. What they say, and the words controls us. Ukuthi ngingene jealous because of someone said a word.
Yeah.
The truth is words controls everything.
I had a profound feeling that what your mom said at that age, when she was telling you, giving you confidence in terms of what happened to you at that moment, was going to make you become the person that you are. Or if it's not responsible for 100%, it's probably responsible for sending you in that direction.
There's khona, but after lapho I knew after this why from lapho sengenza like terrible stuff, sengizifaka ituke ezingamake sense. And then kula mina lento le bengibiza ithuna labazali bami. Kula after lapho ngavele ngathi bashonile labantu, according to me bebashonile abazali bami. Yabo ukuthi abashonile kimi, they are dead to me.
That's profound, man.
Yabo ashonile ngisaze ngene. And then vele lapho sinami vele kufana usengifeel inhliziyo, so to speak. Sena ama feelings angisenani. Umjolo mawucabanga ukujola, amantombazana abaye bengimiyeka. So ukuthi uyafeba nyalo yenza into wena yokushanga ukubulale. So boy, so but heartless, you can't be there. Uyajola nje for the sake of kuyajola. Shy around parangikho la. Angake kuchere ngajola na before prison ukuthi uyangazi. Bebangangazi next, like I wasn't there. Wasn't there.
So I want to move to a point where now usuya phuma. What when they come and tell you ukuthi ndoda, we're letting you go. Kwenzakalani? How does it happen? And in your mind, what are you thinking?
Okay, bengila eBoxburg ngalapho. Ngisuka eKutama ngaza eSun City, from eSun City ngaza eBoxburg. Sengila eBoxburg, so ngihamba iparole board. You first go to parole board. So iparole board une prison file, profile yakho where bazofika bayivule bayicheck. And then yonke into ama social workers reports and everything. So mawufika, but for whatever reasons I kind of knew ukuthi mina ngizoyithola because of into ngisuke ngaba intentional as soon as I got saved ngisuke ngaba intentional about everything bengiyenza like I'm a quite intentional guy.
Okay.
Ngisuke ngaba intentional ukuthi okay ngiye ku social bayibiza a sentence plan.
Okay.
Bakutshele ukuthi okay for your type of crime sifuna ube na these qualifications ube na this ube na yabona so mangiya e-parole board and nanoma umuntu bese kasebenzisa ifone within a prison ayenza sure ukuthi ayingeni phansi.
Okay.
I understand it's either I moggle it or if ngiyabona ukuthi hey ngizongathi ngizoboshwa mele ngilahle or something.
Okay.
I was careful like ukuthi kungabe na anything bad ingenayo ku file lami and then ngoba bekungena anything bad so I kinda knew ukuthi hayi ngobuya na i-date and then mangifika vele afike ngathola i-date but aso sikhathi akufana usalele pro indaba bona mawuphuma ngiphumele eBoksburg sengiphuma mangilibele sihamba bangathi ngiyaphupha until sengifika kunesithombe engisifakile kune-video engifakile on TikTok manje on my TikTok ngishutile ngcoke DH ngcoke iVoops ngicoceka iVoops so ngiyangena la mawuceda nje ukuphuma sebathi you can go
Yeah.
because sengisasela phela ubona ngathi bazoyenza i-mistake and ngasikhathi bengiphethe amafoni ngiphethe ngingathi ngapha ngiphume namafoni awu-3 yabo ngoba ngigcine ngilungisa amafoni phakathi yabo software related stuff zamafoni ngoba ngigcine ngilena i-app development ne-web development lapha digital stuff almost i-graphic design Photoshop bese Photoshop yamajita bewantsombu nge-Photoshop i-face swap yabo vele ushaye proper face swap ashaye isithombe lapha ku-social saphakathi kwekari yabo so those are the skills bewufunda uzipick up fast yabona so leyo nto le igcine ngenza ngiba namafoni so ngilibele ngithukile ngathi bazokusearch abantu amafoni until mase ngiphuma e-officeini ku-correctional sengiphuma sengifree akusena umuntu ongilandele emuva all along phela ngihamba namaphoyisa until uzogcwalisa yonke le paperwork yonke le process leyo mase bakudedele you're free to go step out yo probably feeling le last time I was outside it was 2007 and then we were 20 years mara ngihlala iparole so awuma uphuma ingqondo sengiyahamba yonke into ishintshile that's when I realized because prison mina ngeke ngadetach from a lot of stuff ibhola namanje ibhola ngisalilandeli because manje ngisazi soccer music bengazi amapiano ngicine ikwaito and house lapha
it's like time stops moving
like uphosile like the life in me it's on pause so mase ngiphuma sewuzwa this strange music so ukhala la ngaphandle yonke into strange abantu amajita sebagcoke ngathi amagay phela ngaso sikhathi nabe sithi amagay or amabhuju amabhuju abagcoka ifazo lezi amathaya ama slim fit nani amaskini onkumuze kagcoka iskini mase yamanga kuhamba amajita ngathi amagay konke la ngaphandle
yo angitshele when they release you there do they give you some cash
no unless vele unless vele kuna ngamawuya kude vele and maybe you usho bazokupha so mina was sorted
okay so manje you are out now ubani okulandela ulandwa ubani how do you make your way back home because obviously
prison
you don't
love
prison love I feel like that should be our next episode that we do because there's so much essence to what we're getting into now but now I want you to maybe for us this will be part 1 but I want us to wrap it at that point la uphuma khona ukuthi what are you seeing in the eye of your mind about your life usuphumile umelapha uyi-1 they've accompanied you they leave you to be free you are the complete opposite of the person you were when you came in here you are you have your freedom back so much has changed what is your vision about life now
okay like I said, I was intentional. Most things in prison. I started making money in prison. I'm a scheme GP. Utemba Luke.
Yeah.
He's my first client. I'm on the 3 website. He's my first client. The prison. I'm approacher. I learned for web development. There was a friend Begayenza app development. So what's he give? Don't study to just for the sake of studying. Study, learn to know how to achieve a certain outcome or a certain goal. At Saboni Photoshop, if ku Photoshop you want to maybe to know how to ukushintsha amehlo, color of the eye, go learn that part only. Don't go figure ungene ku Photoshop izokudida. But go learn on Photoshop ukuthi whatever you learn, which tool to use, how to use the tool, which are the settings kumele uzenze until you achieve that. Once you know, master that. Once you and then go to the next skill.
Okay.
I understand color grade. Okay, what's that? How to go about which tools within the Photoshop. So wangifundisa kanjalo. So ngafunda i-web development. At the time bese kungena ama frameworks.
Yeah.
I understand. So azange ngafunda sort of 20% of coding.
Okay.
If I know 20%, I know which is the language, the basics of the language, the markup. Okay, this is how I build the structure as a website. If I only know that, the rest of the things is funda ngendlela. Okay, how do I make maybe this jump? How do I ngayifunda later? Then that time kube kunento ama framework. I learned within 6 months. I can build a website, be proper, like from start, like fully functional website. Mar bengakazi back end, the back side of it. Mar at least HTML, JavaScript, and your CSS. I can make that be a fully functional basic website. Approach to Temba, and then manga approach to Temba. I just sold him an idea. Kutazini man ngicela pick up a skill and ngiyakubona ngathi uput bawuzilela ngathi wena bengoba bekahlala ema single cell. He was in prison back then.
Okay.
Ngathi okay, ngifuna ukwenza the skill. I mean ngifuna ngina this skill angazi ukuthi maybe awufuni anything wathi ngiyayifuna le nto le. Dala vele he was about to get released. Wathi hayi ngiyayifuna le nto le ngamenzela ama website bengisebenzisa i-laptop bengisebenzisa bekuyidele bese bengena battery. Sebenza i-charge ngathi ngicela ningibhadaleni nge-laptop.
Yeah.
Ama-specs bengakabi that savvy. Ama-specs ngathi as long as at least 8 gig RAM. So processor bengakabi that smart.
Okay.
As long as in 8 gig RAM. Ngifuna i-RAM. As long as in 8 gig RAM. And then in a battery. Angifuna i-charger and then ngathola ngabhadala and then from lapho I build a client based while in prison.
Okay.
Menzi Ngubane was one of the before show.
Powerful.
Amenzela social media management. Job besikhuluma bekumama some bengazi the way to it. But I kinda because I strategize, he had a lot of fakes accounts zeka Ngubane. So whenever he go to the places because it's an old school bebamtshela nge-social following yakhe kuthi we want you ngiyakhumbula bekafuna i-brand deal ye-Valpre.
Okay.
Amangabheka ithombe zakhe zakudala bekahlezi aphethe ibhodlela. That was my strategy.
Oh, nice.
And then bekafuna zithi BM bekafuna nento yase BM but akana following. Yabona. So and then my problem unama account amaningi akwazeki ukuthi which one is which, and this account whenever I am somewhere they will post kuba ngathi someone who source, there's a source within it. So kuti le nto le we have to come the strategy ukuthi to create a new Menzi Ngubane account and then send the show kuti hiyo esiprove among all this ukuthi hiyo the right one, and I came with the strategy and then ngayenza. So already mangiphuma sengina a lot of client base and then ngathola through Utemba kunomunye girl uLouise bekayenza, he was into speaking engagements and stuff. So ngacala ngimsebenzela I think for about 6 months while in prison. She will send amount or whatever funa ngimenzela, if ufuna ngimenzela some document whatever ngimenzela, I will do that. Mengayenza i-PowerPoint, maybe ufuna ukwenza i-slide yabo ngimshayela i-PowerPoint ngisenda ngibhadale kanjalo. So mangiphuma ngine work employment, that's where I'm going.
Oh, powerful.
Yeah.
So your business, you were running a business behind the scenes.
Yeah, uprison lava ngizoyizwa lapho bekuyilirana lami. Bekuyophatha imali zami.
This is the first time I'm hearing of such. So you already had clients. Maybe release and you're going back into the market.
I have clients ngiyasebenza already.
Hey, powerful.
Yeah, some they know, some don't know. Kuthi ngiseprison. Communicating an email. The email that I'm using now, the email is fisots@outlook. Since I created ngiseprison, sasebenza manje. Even on my own Facebook, I created 2014. Ngiseboxback namanje sasebenza iFacebook yakhona, my current Facebook angenza ngiseprison. So and I used it to bekwi one of into bengithola ama client ngayo because bengiswap isithombe ngobhuti engathi ngikezile.
You know what, that is such a powerful story. But manje ngifuna ukuthi Sivale, but in our closure, I would like you to tell the viewers about the big lessons of your life. If you could, because from the beginning of the episode up until this point, we've been hearing about your life and the things that you have done in your previous version. And in that explanation, it may sound like you're like someone who's glorifying it and stuff like that, but I want us to wrap it nicely so that you actually tell people why do you feel it's necessary that you share your story and what are the big lessons that you have learned in life.
Okay. Yeah. Into engayifunda ukuthi umhlaba the way wenzeka ngakho, the way umhlaba ungakhona and everything yenzeka ngakhona, most of what we interact with, most of what we call life comes from people. Good or bad comes from people. And those people labo they were kids. I mean, I might think it's about ukula. They were kids, and those people labo, whatever happens to them basasebantwana shapes their worldview kula kwabo. And then now most of them, some bayayenza, but they don't know that they actually got issues. You understand? And they need to address those issues. Some kuma relationship things are not working because they had issues, and nekunzima to speak up about sabi judgment. Sometimes it's difficult to be vulnerable and then just open up about your entire life. But ngiyengafunda ukuthi first powerful, there's power in talking about no matter how bad is it. You realize that sometimes it changes people because people, they need a moment of like authentic stories. It's authentic stories that helps us reflect. So in my thing engifuna ukuyenza to help people reflect. Bakwazi uku understand ukuthi okay, kwamampela certain things ezizenza abazali, people abahlukumeza abanye abantu, they need to know ukuthi leyo nto le how it impact abanye abantu. It might impact the whole life yabo, and my impact their whole life. Abantu labo now bio contributor to society. So what you do to them, how you treat them, sometimes you are shaping or influencing how they're going to contribute to society. They might contribute as bad people. I understand. So the whole thing is like a chain reaction. You contributed one way or the other, but if you know, sometimes it can help you. Like me now, be careful. Just walk away. Just walk away. Even even nomtanam bengizama ukukhuluma naye instead of ngibe violent, because I know that might shape her, and then maga turn out, I might not control. I don't know how she can turn out to be, and then angagcina ayenza the same experience that ayenzile ayithatha even further ukuthi manje this is now how other people are going to experience her, and then kanjalo I'm now making even umhlaba ube worse yabona. So my whole into ukuthi first let's be careful how we interact nabanye abantu. We are shaping their worldview, and then the other thing ukuthi kamampela there's God. I believe in people changing. I don't believe in ukuthi umuntu uyakhona ukushintshela. I don't believe in that concept. Ukuthi umuntu uyashintshela. Change has to come from somewhere. I understand that it has to come from somewhere. And ngibone kubantu abastruggle with substance abuse, and people sometimes fail to change. That's where you need God's intervention. Because when it came through God's intervention, I was alone by reading the Bible. There was no preacher, there was no one. But that was between me and uNkulunkulu. And the very same thing benginyatsa kuzo zonke hiyo ekwazi ukuthi ngishintshe ingenze the person I am today. And then ngabona la ukuthi sometimes thina sabantu the things ekuthi kahle hizo mele se focus attention kuzo hizi izinto esibona zi useless, which iBhayibheli la, and then having faith. Because if faith, a conviction, what we do, it's our conviction. We are doing what you do because of your personal convictions. I understand. And your conviction is more part of your faith system, your belief system. So you need some type of faith for you to be a person who to tend to stand out. Among Muslims, the reason they stand out, Jewish, the reason they stand out, there's a faith behind them. Whoever, Batagati, like people with some type of faith, the Igbo people who tends to stand up in what they are doing and excel in what they are doing, meaning personal conviction. But my thing is uNkulunkulu yamshintsha umuntu. UNkulunkulu.
Powerful.
Yeah.
powerful. And look, when I look at your journey, from the moment you started talking, you have moved me through an amazing timeline, and you have showed me different perspectives of the version of a person I could be. And it's easy to judge and say, that guy chose to be what he was. But circumstances led you to be where you are. And I'm happy that you're taking accountability for the things that you've done in the past, and you are a completely different person from that person that you used to be. Having met you, spent the whole morning with you, I would have not even uncovered the stories that you have told me. I did not see that person. I saw the version of the man you are now. And there is no way that I would have the right to judge. Judgment is God's work. And I think it's a very fair thing what you're trying to do. It's a very good thing that you're trying to do. Maybe on the next episode, we should talk about the healing aspect of your journey in terms of how are you helping other people rationalize what they're going through. And thank you for opening up, because a lot of people that have been the person you were, that have gone through what you have gone through, are not able to open up and talk about their experiences. Now, how does that affect us? It affects us because I don't have a point of introspection. I am still going through it, but I'm not making sense of it. There's a person who is the different versions of you in different stages. There's a boy who's herding sheep now, who is the boy that you used to be. He doesn't understand what's happening. There's the boy who, got involved with the wrong network. That person can't rationalize his current state. There's a person who is in church now, and they look at the other side and they sort of are craving that life. Why? Because they've only been exposed to church life and God. They don't know how bad it can get on the other side. That person has no point of introspection if you don't talk. So I'm trying to say, Uguti, it's a very broad story. It's a very open, very, very wide narrative that you're bringing through. And I have found a version of myself in your story, believe it or not. And because you've given me a point of introspection, I now know that it's not all up to me. And I think having realized that it's not up to me, not 100% of the story is not written by me. Because at that age, when you were still young, you were not writing, but you were part of the story. And the story was carrying you somewhere. I guess you only started writing when you could speak and stand up for yourself. That's when you took the pen and decided, I'm going to write this. But a majority of, the book you were writing was written before you could even speak. So that's what I'm trying to say, just like you said, a majority of your experiences at a young age shape the person you become. And your view, personal view, like you said, really has an impact on the kind of person you become. And I'm happy that you are able to step out of the circle of your life and view it from the top and see, I lapa begu wrong, begmele senze so, umama begngamele asho so, begmele, you get me. So thank you for sharing. And I think it's more than anything is a powerful story that gives us introspection and a point of view. I think without wasting time, we're going to jump into another section where we're speaking about prison love. And I'm seeing a lot of those stories where, ladies are coming out, man. Ladies are coming out and they're saying, hey, guys, I met this guy and we got along for weeks. And then the next thing you know, hey, things happened. I'm seeing a lot of those stories where the guys that side are very, very, very strategic in terms of reaching out to OCs. And unfortunately, Nabosis, they're going through a lot. So they end up falling for whatever is happening. But we want to sort of get to a point where we unpack that sort of narrative and also learn. But thank you so much for sharing. We'll resume on the next episode where we talk about prison love. But thank you so much for joining us since we started till now. It's been a beautiful experience. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This has been an amazing experience. I think if you haven't learned anything, Yeah, I don't know what you were doing. Maybe you were distracted or something because there are so many gems in this story. But yeah, really appreciate what you guys have been doing for the platform, for the channel, for the community. Don't forget to reach out to Ubafo if you need any of the services that he provides. Do you mind sharing your contact details so that you could get more clients, people that want to support you?
Okay. Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu ne. Email is fiso, fiso ts at outlook.com. And then go TikTok, that's where I'm active kakhulu khona.
Okay.
On Facebook, on Facebook is Thabiso El Nage.
Okay.
That's my Facebook handle. And then on TikTok is Fiso Unleashed.
Okay.
Yeah, I share. That's where I'm active. Kona kakhulu. This day singing Zanama Lives.
Okay.
And then we
find a way.
reflect. Yeah.
No, thank you so much. Yeah, Mzwile, you know now where to find him. Send the positive comments. Send the uplifting messages. You know where to send them. But yeah, I see you guys on the comments. I see your inputs, and I really appreciate what you guys have done for us. From me, the team in studio, and my amazing guest is bye for now.